Bitcoin unstoppable. We're so happy. You want to know the last information about Bitcoin and the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News. Crypto to the max. Greet Rodrigo Arnedo. And yes, we have to dance today in the street because Bitcoin is above 104K. Donald Trump, of course, trolling with so many things, and the crypto reacted. We have Bitcoin going up, but also altcoins maybe in an alt season already. So yeah, today is a day to hug everybody and to be happy. We were wondering in the last video, watch them all, if Bitcoin was going to go up or wasn't it? Maybe we still need to get to 91,000 as we are speculating. But yeah, also we said, well, we can cut easily 100 and start going up like crazy. And that's what happened yesterday. But of course, in this world, you're going to wonder, is this for reals? Are we going to keep on going higher? Or again, this is something that we have to celebrate today, but maybe tomorrow will be again sad or not, because we are just 5% to a new all-time high. We are on 104K, and remember that 109 is the all-time high for Bitcoin. So it's just around $5,000 for us to get there. That for Bitcoin is peanuts, is nothing. So yeah, sure, we can be there in hours or not. We'll see. We have to just be patient. And again, if you are in profit, consider if it's time for selling. And if you are FOMOing big time, oh my God, I'm out of this and I'm going in, remember that you can start today dollar cost averaging, just buying a little bit of Bitcoin. And we still believe it's going to go at some point to $1 million. So 100K still cheap if that's the case. Also, remember, this is not financial advice. I have no idea what Bitcoin is going to do, but I love playing with speculations as I'm bringing you today this new chart. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel because like 60% of the people are not subscribing, and it helps us with YouTube's algorithm. So now to this chart, remember this is the CME futures chart, and well, we are not feeling the gap that we have in around $91,000, and I believe that we have to go there and feel it. So okay, we didn't feel it and we started going up like crazy. Well, let's see what happened the last time that this occurred, that did happen, and it was November the 11th, 2024. What happened? We have to wait longer time, but this gap was filled, of course, as usual, as 90% of the time. But we have to wait 119 days. So let's speculate with that. If from the moment we created this new gap, we have to wait the same, we're going to get all the way to my birthday. We're going to fill that gap August the 15th approximately. So yeah, maybe we go up now, down, up and down, but certainly at some point I believe this might be filled. Also consider that if this is the scenario, maybe you want to take some profits in 110. Remember, I have an order at the previous high, so we'll see about that. And maybe you want to just buy back again when we are in 91,000, if this is the case. And also remember that if we prolong that time frame, well, you can see that the bottom was here, April 2025. In our case, that would be around 15 September. And that's very interesting because remember this other chart that we are working on. And yeah, it's almost the same. It's almost the same period of time. It's not exactly the same one, but yeah, around August and then September, and then we can start going up again. We'll see if we follow these paths. I'm just creating a new possibility. We had the blue path, we had the yellow one. Well, today I'm introducing the orange one, which is this one that we are working on today with the moment we didn't fill the gap. So if we follow that one, we are going to be in June in $123,000. I like that one. We'll see. We'll see about that. We'll be filling the gap in September again. So yeah, we'll see. Right now, seems that we are going through the blue one, comparing with the yellow one, but time will tell. If you want more information about all this, just go to previous videos where you have all the information. And today I bring you to show more. For the bullish case, we have a new weekly MACD cross. It's approaching. The last time this happened, it pumped like 170%. And in 2024, it was 75%. So we'll see if this brings us to 150K or 200K. Amazing timing on Bitcoin. Also, Mari Party is making this kind of predictions, and he's sending Bitcoin to 130K because of weak accumulation. I don't care if it's because of the cap and handle or week off or whatever, but yes, sure, send it to 120. We want the banana zone. We want it to be coming soon. And we are so happy to tell you that Bitcoin is now 5th asset in the world, is just above Amazon and Google and silver. We are looking at Nvidia right now, Apple, Microsoft, and gold. Just the other assets that right now are better. And if you go to this kind of assets like stock market, gold, what happened yesterday? Well, amazing how stock market was yesterday in United States, but more amazing that at some point the stock market started going down and Bitcoin rallied like crazy. We are behaving better than gold right now. And why? Well, maybe all we needed for an alt season and Bitcoin going up was a new Pope. maybe that's the case, because now that we have the Pope, PEPE is going up almost 50% and so many others. And I'm so happy if you follow my instructions and you sign up to Bitpanda with the link in the description below and bought 25 euros of Bitcoin, because your Bitcoin is up or your Ethereum is up and you get 1 million PEPE just for doing that. So yeah, you can still do that this week. Link in the description below. Do it today, because maybe PEPE is going to make another 44%. So that 1 million PEPE is going to be, worth more. So yeah, any case, let's keep on telling you things about the crypto world and about this Pope. The new Pope is allegedly going to announce a strategic Bitcoin reserve. What? Of course, this is just people joking, as those that created this image of Satoshi Nakamoto being the Pope. Or what about this other one? Vitalik Buterin is the new Pope. We are so happy because it's good that Bitcoin is going up, but it's better that finally Ethereum is pumping like crazy. We broke the $2,000 line and we went all the way up to 2,400 something. Again, of course, we still have the gap, but it's good for Ethereum to go up again. And so we can now look to the 4,000. People hate Ethereum. And Ash Crypto is relating that with this comment. Ethereum most hated rally is here. And we are happy because everybody is mocking us like the 7th time Bitcoin has hit 100K. And Ethereum, how was in price? Well, the first time 4K, second time 3.9, third time 3.7, fourth time 3.4, fifth time 3, sixth time 2.7, and seventh time 2K. So yeah, they're mocking us, but we'll see who laughs the later. Ethereum ETF staking could come as soon as the end of this month, and that would be mega bullish for Ethereum. Also, we know about the hard fork and how this improves Ethereum, and maybe, well, it's hated right now, but it's gonna take us to the moon. We have other cryptos going up like ENS. We have Chainlink, for example, also going up. Remember, I told you about the rewards. You can go there now. You can claim if you were staking your SXT, and you can tell me if this was a good airdrop for you or not. I have to do this myself. I will tell you about it in the next crypto show. Today is also news for the altcoins that the SEC has officially filed for a 50 million settlement with Ripple over XRP lawsuit. Good for XRP. And what else is news not related with crypto but affecting it no matter what? Of course, President Trump and everything he does. He said, you better go out and buy stocks now. This country will be like a rocket ship that goes straight up. So yeah, he's encouraged people to buy. He has a new trade deal with United Kingdom. Probably you know about that. It's the first of so many, as he told us. And talking about UK, you had to know that Bank of England has cut interest rates by 25 basic points. So Donald Trump again mad with Jerome Powell and with the US Fed because they are not doing what other countries are doing. We're still with that controversy. And President Trump told us that he's very close to announcing more trade deals. So we'll see what happens today in United States, where we have this bill in Missouri that is going to exempt capital gains taxes on Bitcoin. Amazing. If you don't have to pay, maybe everybody wants to go to United States when this comes into fruition. Also, the state of Oregon just passed a law that allows people to use crypto collateral for loans. Amazing development in crypto world. Also about the OCC saying that regulated banks can hold Bitcoin and crypto for customers. We are following this piece of information. It's also huge for us, as it is so many other things that come from other parts in the world, like UAE. The UAE state-owned oil giant Emirate is going to accept Bitcoin and crypto payments at petrol gas stations. I have to try that one. I believe this is amazing. And talking about some bad things that happened in the past in crypto, you have to know that Celsius founder Alex Mashinsky was sentenced allegedly to 12 years for crypto fraud. Remember that we have IOTA staking, and you can do that with the safety of a ledger. And remember that we have this campaign this month where if you buy one of these, you have to write me an email telling me, and you are eligible for a draw of a special edition Ledger Flex Punji Penguin. Remember also that we are just 1 month to the deadline for your tax report in Spain, so you should go to CoinTracking and start doing your homework just today. With this, we say goodbye. Remember that you can keep on learning about AI with our other channel, Rodrigo Arnedo Inteligencia Artificial, and also do not miss any of the videos here on Rodrigo Arnedo. Noticias Bitcoin, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!